Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another video. I'm currently in a holiday cabin in Bendigo, which is a Victorian city. And yeah, I'm pretty much all over the place right now. I was in Melbourne before. I have some Melbourne videos coming up where I did some camera reviews in Melbourne with my Insta360 Go 3S, which I have right here. This camera is amazing. I love how Insta360 is setting me even more cool stuff. This is the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro Creator Kit. Now what's cool about the Creator Kit is it comes with not only the gimbal, it also comes with a spotlight, which is for some good lighting. It comes with a magnetic phone mount so I can use the MagSafe on my phone. And see, comes with a lot of different things. They've also sent me the AI tracker. So this will let you use it in any sort of app. So if you use an Android phone, this is mainly for Android because this gimbal actually already has native support for Apple's camera app, but that's not the same for Android phones, as I don't think Android has an API like Apple's dock kit available currently. Maybe they'll make one soon. And then they sent me this blank mysterious box. So I guess we'll find out what's in here. We'll start off small with the AI tracker. So we're going to take off this little plastic mount. Plastic mount. This little piece of plastic here, which is just this little plastic sticker. Very nice. Sort of peel like that. And that. Bang. Open that up. Pull this out. And what do we have in here? Anything else? We just have a little manual, instructions for use. So yeah, we have just instructions on hand, like the hand gestures, all the different lighting modes. And now if we actually pull it out of this little thing, it's a very tiny little accessory. It actually does still feel pretty hefty though. I was expecting it to feel sort of flimsy in a way, but it is very nice. Look at that. And I'm gonna take this off. And just like that, we have this little USB-C. I'm assuming that USB-C just plugs into the gimbal. So we're gonna take this plastic wrapper off. This will be pretty satisfying. Look at that. Oh, I love unboxing products. So nice. Feel this little open tab and it opens up from the side. Oh, look at this. We have an assembly guide and then this, what will you capture? And I like how they put, it smells really good. It smells like cereal. So in here, I think maybe this is the stuff for the Creator Kit. So we're gonna open this up and wow, look at this guide here. Look how cool this is. This is such a nice little, whoa. I like the way this is made. Look, it's just like a guide, new features. I'll be having a look at this later. It's a very cool little guide. You guys can have a look if you want to. This here is the default phone clamp. Let's peel this out and bang, peel this little sticker off. So we're going to do this. Oh, wow, this thing is, it's lightweight, but it feels very, very premium. Okay, let's peel this off. It's crazy how much this has evolved since the first Flow. So this is just the little unboxing and setup video. I will have a full video coming soon, just going through all the features. The design actually reminds me of the Nothing phone a little bit with like the color scheme and the transparency. Okay, let's pull this up. Oh, I love that transparency. And then there's also a mirror here for previewing your shot. That's so cool. Oh, that button feels so good. All the buttons feel so premium. The joystick, oh, it's so good. And what I like about this gimbal is, look at that, it's 360. So a lot of smartphone gimbals sort of stop here and here, but this goes all the way around. So just infinite pan tracking. So it will never really lose you. The tilt I've heard is really good as well. This is what else you get in the Creator Bundle. Damn, I completely skipped over this for a sec. Safety instructions, stickers, warranty card, magnetic phone mount, instructions for use. And then we have the pouch, carrying pouch. And then this is our little MagSafe holder. So we'll undo this, we'll pull this out the box. And boom, this will allow us to use a MagSafe. Once again, very nicely built accessory. It also works as a kickstand, so you can just have this chilling on the back of your phone at all times. I'm not sure if this is gonna be as secure as the actual phone mount, but like, that's so good. And then we have the light and the cables. So we'll take this out. This is the spotlight itself. And then if we pull this out, we have a USB-C to C. Also charging your phone. This gimbal, what's cool about it is it has like extreme battery life. And when you're not using it and you're on the go, you can just plug in your phone to this and you can just charge it. It's a power bank. And then we have our actual USB-A to C charging wire. I have like millions of USB-C cables, so I don't really need that. I'm not sure what accessory this would be. I'm not sure if this comes with the Creator Bundle or if they just sent it as a little throw-on. Pull it out. So it looks to be a little carrying case holder, but that's pretty cool. I guess you strap this to maybe, oh, I think you strap this to like a backpack or something. So you can just have it on the side of your backpack. Now I see what this is. That's very nice that they include that. Anyways, I'm gonna have a little play with this. Look at all of this. Look at all the mess that I've made with this unboxing. I put like just some extra stuff on the ground. I'm going to clean this all up. I'm going to throw some of this packaging out, but I'm going to keep like the manuals and stuff. Anyways, I'll cut to a bit later. So I've been using this Flow 2 Pro with my iPhone 16 for a little bit of time, just testing it. And I haven't fully gotten to know it. There is a lot of functions, but it is still very simple to use, like very simple. But if you are an advanced filmmaker with mobile phones, there is a lot of options and versatility. So I'm going to give it a little bit of time before I make my full review. This video was just the unboxing really, but I will show you a couple little things. Starting off, the clamps, I'll show you actually. So in the box, you get this clamp here and you put your phone in it like that. And then you pretty much grab the gimbal and it just snaps on like that. And you know, this is pretty secure. Phone's not going to come out. It's really good. Or if you have an iPhone 12 or newer, this is an additional accessory. But if you get the creator bundle, you get this bundled in. It just snaps on the phone like that. I was actually expecting this to not be too sturdy, but I don't know what Insta360 has done, because for MagSafe, this is extremely impressive. So the setup is pretty much the same for both the normal clamp and the MagSafe one here. I will quickly say one more thing about the MagSafe clamp. I really like how they've built in this little kickstand. So it's like a 2-in-1 accessory. It allows you to put the gimbal on the phone, and it also allows you to have like this little kickstand. Anyways, that's enough. I'll just quickly tell you, this gimbal is great because it's always there and it's just ready in an instant. All you do is you just clip your phone on like that, you pop it out like that, and look at that. It's all set up, and I don't know if I can show on camera. So you can either use Apple Dock Kit, which we'll talk about Apple Dock Kit in my next video on this gimbal. But for now, I'll just quickly show you the Insta360 app, and have a look at this. So you'll see, obviously, so it's on the follow mode right now. There is like 7 different shooting modes, so you do need to learn a little bit. But yeah, the camera's great. You know, you have your resolution controls up here. You have some shot guides in here, which is great. You can use your voice to get suggestions. This zoom wheel is actually really cool because if you just zoom like this, it slowly zooms in. But if you flick it, it just zooms lens by lens, which is fantastic. Up here, you have your gesture control, which we'll talk about in another video. And then you have a teleprompter. It's just like filters. It's all very feature packed. You do get like more than you'd expect. I'm sorry if it's kind of out of focus. This button here allows you to flip between the front facing and back facing camera. And when you actually double click that button, the phone rotates. And then there's this trigger on the back, which is really cool. So if I tap it once, it'll start tracking whatever it thinks it wants to track. So currently you can see it's tracking my hands. Let me just get rid of this. If I put my hand back in frame, it goes back on it. There we go. You can see it's following around my hand, which is pretty cool. And when your gimbal is a bit uncentered, you just double click and it recenters. And when you click 3 times, 1, 2, 3, you'll see it just flips the phone around very smoothly. And when you're actually recording with the back camera like this, you actually have this little mirror to see what you look like and preview the shot, and the frame is pretty much what the camera sees. What I really do like is with a lot of gimbals, if you want tripod legs, you need to actually screw it in. But this one, they just pull out the bottom. It's just built into the gimbal, and they haven't just fit these tripod legs in. They fit this massive selfie stick in, and you can also tilt it. You can also rotate it like this. It's so versatile. Like Insta360, all of their products are such amazing in quality and like versatility. I also found out while using this that the gimbal actually has haptics, which is really, really cool. This is very iPod style as well, this little gimbal, and the joystick feels nice. It's all just very, very lovely. So I'm gonna put my phone like this. I'm gonna hit record. I'm gonna hit the back. Actually, I'm gonna hit this trigger on the back. So you'll see now that the gimbal is actually locked onto me, so I am centered in frame. You'll see, if I move around, it keeps me locked on, and I can walk around and I'm just centered in the frame. And even if I move the joystick, it'll keep me tracked, which is very, very fantastic. So currently I'm quickly looking at the little mirror on the back to see what my shot looks like, what I look like. And I know that I'm tracking myself because the gimbal is flashing green, indicating that I'm being tracked. So it's fantastic. And yeah, I'm just in shot. Such a cool piece of technology. Thank you so much for watching this little video. I have more coming. Sorry that this video in terms of production wasn't fantastic. Obviously, I've been away a lot. I've been recording different videos. I was staying at a cabin, as you remember, when I was first doing this unboxing video. But I have more videos on this gimbal coming soon. We're going to do a lot of fun things with it. Now, before I wrap it up, I just want to quickly show you this. So Insta360 sent this. It's a part of the creator bundle. If you don't have the creator bundle, you can get it separately. But I can actually go ahead and plug this into the gimbal like that, and check that out. I can change the tone. I can go for a warm, and now I'm very lit up. Let's see how bright it is. Whoa, isn't that so cool? That's really nice. It'll always keep you nice and lit up. I love this gimbal. I love it. That's enough from me. If this interests you, I have a link down below that you should definitely use, because you're also helping support the channel by doing so. And there's a couple perks when you use the link down below. Anyways, that's all from me. I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.